Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Coinbase Wallet application. Click on the buy icon and you will see the amount of money you have available. Enter the amount you want to spend. For example, if you want to pay with $100 or $1,000, just input that amount. Next, type BNB in the search bar to find the token you want to buy. Click on the BNB token when it appears. After that, select your network. Make sure to choose Binance Smart Chain. Now, you need to select your payment method. Click on the payment method option and you will see various options available for payment. You can choose from a TM, Google Pay, bank transfers, debit card, credit card, and more. Once you have selected your payment method and confirmed your details, you can proceed with the purchase. So that's basically how you can buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.